Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. You can see this date 5th August 2023. That reading was part of IELTS exam in India, and this reading can also become a part of your exam in other countries also. Okay, so don't go away, academic students. This is GT reading. I am declaring it, and yeah, definitely if you can do this full reading within 10 minutes or within 10 minutes I can say, then definitely you can do better in academic readings also. Okay, so you also do it with me, and of course GT students will also be doing it with me. So this is the reading passage name, the rights of pregnant women in the workplace. Okay, so let's look at the paragraph passage. Small paragraphs, no big paragraphs are there, and they have given the names 1 2 3 4. Okay, now I will not be reading anything. I will start doing my reading my type of question. So first type of question I have here in this reading: complete the sentences below, choose one word. So you can see this. Second type of question: answer the questions below, means short answer type questions. We can use one or two words only, and or a number also we can use it. So I will start doing from my first type of question, that is complete the sentences. So what should be the strategy? Those who are watching my video first time, I just want to convey this message that don't read the paragraph passage details into detail first time. So first come and look at the type of questions and read one sentence, one question statement, understand it, and then go to the location. So after reading it, after understanding the question statement, definitely I will circle the keyword or underline the keyword. That keyword will take us to the location of the question statement in the passage. Let's do it. An employer cannot, so employer cannot a pregnant worker from the company. Okay, pregnant worker. So I will just start finding employer cannot dash a worker from the company. Second, it is against the law, okay, not to hire a woman because she may become dash in the future. Okay, so law I will look, and future also. Okay, so first I will go for employer and a pregnant worker. You also do with me. So I am showing full passage. You can see this. An employer cannot fire a woman because she is pregnant. An employer is also there, she pregnant is also there. So cannot fire, I will just pick it, fire a woman because she is pregnant. So I will use fire word here. So I have not opened the pin of my question paper because there also you will not be allowed to open the pin. So an employer cannot fire a pregnant worker from the company. So that everything we have got. So I will write here fire. Okay, coming to next. It is against the law not to hire a woman because she may dash in the future. Okay, let's find this law word. This is sure that you will get the location after the first question location. Second question you will definitely get in the next paragraphs. So I was looking for law. So side by side I will just underline the things. Okay, future is also here. You can see this. I was looking for law. Legal word is also here. Okay, a company cannot refuse to hire a woman because she is pregnant or because she may become pregnant in the future. So I will write pregnant over there. So I definitely after this, see, they are talking about law thing. So I will be writing here pregnant. Okay, because she may get pregnant. So just take care of the spelling. Now coming to third question, next question I mean, a new mother is able to pump breast dash in a safe place. Okay, so a new mother is a keyword, and what she is able to. Okay, let's find this word. Now you can see in first paragraph we have got this location, in second paragraph we have got this location, and in third paragraph I can easily see this new mothers have the right to pump. This word was also there, this was also there. So I will fit this. Safe place was also there. So I will fit this milk word in that paragraph. So GT reading is too easy, I will say, but those who are doing academic, they can also do this reading, and just try to understand. When you will understand the reading through GT reading, it will be easier for you to do academic. So more ideas you will get. The worker must provide a dash note. This is my keyword, this note, and the worker must provide dash if they have complications that impact their daily work activities. Okay, worker note and work activities. So this paragraph here, you can see this. Yeah, I am looking for worker note also. Company fever employee. Okay, in some cases, okay, in some cases pregnancy related conditions may entitle women to special accommodations. Okay, let's move on to next page. So you can see in next page, I am looking for you can see this note, worker and work activities. Okay, nothing. If a company has a policy, okay, policy, okay, I have just underlined example of stool, worker, sit, shift, morning sickness, or water bottle at her workstation. Okay, the worker usually needs doctor's note is here, the worker is also here, work capability is also here. So note, so blank means before this is blank, before and after the words, before and after the blank words are also important. A note, so here it is written a doctor's note. So doctor, I will just write here doctors. Okay, doctors. Now coming to 19th, an employer cannot give a pregnant woman a less job. An employer less job. Okay, let's find this less job word here. An employer cannot force you to take off time or change jobs if you are still able to do your job. An employer thinks they are acting in the best, protecting from liabilities. Less, yes, job is also there, this is also there. So an employer is also there. So what the statement is saying, an employer cannot give a pregnant woman a less strenuous job, I will write. So next is, a company cannot withhold a dash just because the employee is pregnant. So company, what company cannot withhold, cannot hold. Okay, company is also keyword. Let's find, because one paragraph is left for this. For example, a boss cannot prevent a pregnant woman from traveling, okay, on business trips because he is concerned about her health. A company is, yes, cannot deny a pregnant woman a promotion assuming she returned after childbirth. So cannot deny. So cannot word is also there, withhold a dash just because employee is pregnant. So it means cannot withhold a promotion will come here. Okay, so you can see this promotion word. Okay, now coming to next, that is answer the question, means short type of answer. We can use one word, two word, or and a number. So who decides if the workplace is safe for a pregnant employee? It means now we have read full paragraph, full passage for these questions. Now again we will start from the first paragraph. Let's underline, who decides if the workplace is safe for pregnant employee. So here first paragraph, I am looking for who decides. You can also read like that. No need to read everything. But companies cannot fire for this reason. Exceptions are rare. Even when a job entails being exposed to toxic chemicals or lifting heavy objects, courts have ruled that decision who decides about the safety of the woman fetus are up to employee and her doctor, not her boss. It means we can write employee or doctor. Or no, we can't write both, because we can write only one or two word, employee, doctor. No, we can write employee or doctor. So I will write this employee. Now coming to what is very common when pregnant women are applying for low earning roles. So this word will take us to the location, and then I will find what is very common. Okay, So low wage job, I have already read it. You can see this. So first question we have got this in this first paragraph, and in second paragraph I have got this word. So what is very common, this is also we got, especially with workers applying for low job. This problem occurs even at companies that rely on pregnant women as their customers. Okay, very common. What is very common? So let's read this. A company cannot refuse to hire a woman because she is pregnant or because she may become pregnant. Okay. What is answer is, what is very common among pregnant women are applying low earning jobs. So low earning job means low wage jobs. So refuse to hire, refuse to hire. So but what we can use it? Refuse to hire. But here we have to use only one or two words. No, here what is very common? Not hired. Not hired. I can write it. Okay. Refuse hired. You can use refuse hire, because whatever it is given we can write only that. This or this you can write. So what can new mothers do in the workplace in a safe place? New mothers, I know where was this new mothers here. You can see this new mothers in a safe place. So they have the right to, okay, they can, yeah, they have the right. What can what can new mothers do in the workplace in a safe place? So of course they can pump milk. So I will write it with this I will just delete it, because we have to write only two words. Milk only you can write, but they are asking the action. So action is this, pump. So what can new mothers? Pump milk. Okay. So this we can write. Coming to next, what can a pregnant worker keep at her workstation? Keep at her workstation. Let's find this workstation word. So this paragraph is done almost. Now let's find workstation, where it was. Workstation. You have to find the keyword, then you can easily finish it on time. So I am looking in next page. I am looking for workstation. Companies, reasonable pregnant women, reasonable accommodation, stool, workstation is here. Okay, so question was, what can a pregnant worker keep at her workstation? What she can keep? Water bottle. At her is also there. Keep is also there. It means water bottle will come here. Okay, water bottle. I will just write here. Water bottle. Okay, coming to 25th number, next question. What does the worker have to provide if they have a medical condition related to pregnancy? Worker have to provide. Okay, what they have to provide if they have medical condition relating to pregnancy? So according to my opinion, there should be doctor's note. So yes, yeah, it is given. Worker usually needs to provide. Same thing it is given. Repetition of questions they are giving it. So too easy they have made it for GT reading. So this was really part of 5th August. Doctor's note, I will write it here. So doctor's note. So I have written doctor's note, and coming to this, what do some new mothers have the chance of losing after returning to work? What do some mothers have the chance of losing after returning to work? So what do some employers want to stop pregnant workers from doing what? Okay, so first, new mothers have the chance of losing after returning to work. So this paragraph we have found this, and yeah, definitely here last paragraph is left. We will see. Employers think they are acting in the best interest of the or protecting itself from liabilities what it after returning from job. Okay, employers cannot base employed assumption women's capability. Okay, for example, a boss cannot prevent a pregnant worker from traveling on a business trips. Okay, yes, what do some some mothers have the chance, wait, what do some mothers have the chance of losing after returning to work? And to stop pregnant workers from doing this, I will go with pregnant cannot prevent a cannot stop a pregnant worker from traveling on business trip. So here the last question I will be writing it here, traveling. Okay, what do some new mothers have the chance of losing after returning to work? That they are explaining it here. Cannot deny a pregnant woman promotion assuming once she returned to work after childbirth. So it means promotion they are talking, a promotion. So same repetition they have made it like that. I don't know why they have made it so easy for GT students. So this way we have completed this IELTS GT reading, rights of pregnant women in the workplace.